Hey YouTube, so this is the other guy coming to you today. So today I'm going to show you how to repair a flat. Basically, a lot of these flats are as a result of an object penetrating your tire, causing the air to come out. And here we have a nail or screw or whatever that is. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this little nail out and we're going to repair that flat, okay? And to do that, you need a couple tools like this, and also you need a flat repair toolkit, okay? Sort of like that, where you have this little thingamajig and this little thingamajig, okay? And I'll show you how to use it, and a rubber cement along with some plugs. So I'm going to show you how to use these, okay? And it's not that hard. And my recommendation is, if you can get to a tire shop, that's probably the best way to go about getting a flat fix. But if you don't have a tire shop near you and you have to use your car or truck, this is probably the best fix next to not going into the tire shop. So to me, I look at this type of fix as a temporary fix, okay? And so a lot of time people can get away with using this type of plug fix here as a long-term thing, but to me, I've had too many experience where eventually the plug here comes poop out. Let's start by removing this nail, okay? So you need something like this to bite the nail out, okay? Like that. I don't know if this is a nail or a screw, so I'm gonna twist this to see what happens here. Alright, so long nose goes in. Holy cow, that's the deep nail. Okay, so holy cow, look at that. It's a nail. Look at that. It's about a 2-inch nail. Okay, so out goes that nail. Okay, so now you'll look at this little thing right here. It's very rough. So what you need to do is you need to plunge this back in to clean the hole. Holy cow. Wow, it's a pretty tough tire with a pretty thick long nail in. The reason why you need to have this thing go in is so that it can get plugged. Okay. Okay, this thing needs to go in like that. Okay. What we're doing is we're cleaning the rubber so that it'll make room for this, okay? So what we need to do, we need to get a strip of this sticky plug, all right? There. What I like to do is I like to put your rubber glue here and basically smear it onto this thing, okay? Make it gooey, okay? And insert it into this, so like an eye of a needle. And it should be about half. You want to make this thing equally, sort of like that, okay, half and half. So what I do is put some more little thing here, the glue here, in. Okay, and the glue here helps seal the thing here, the hole. So here we go. Be careful not to go all the way through. Like that. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to pull it out, and it's sealed. Okay, so that is sealed. So now you want to cut this out like that with your little snipper, and that's it. Okay, now you're ready to pump air into it, and it should give you a 100% solid seal and plugged up. So that's how you plug up the tire, guys. So let me go and pump this tire up and see if there's any leak. Okay, so I pumped 30 psi onto this tire. So you can use soapy water, spit if you don't have any soapy water, or something like this that'll make bubbles. So what I'm doing, oh, there it is. There's still leaks. So again, this is not 100% proof, seal proof. So what I recommend is that this is just for temporary fix, and let's see. As you can see, there's still some bubbles. Okay, but it's a temporary fix until you can get to the next to the shop, so you can patch your tire. So that's it, guys. Sometimes you get lucky and it seals 100%. Sometimes you don't. But this is a temporary fix, so that I can take this wheel to the tire shop and have it sealed correctly. So that's that, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are.